Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new UI design tutorial, and today I'll show you the food app design tutorial. And let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm going to the XD at first, and here I made the apps UI, which is the Petupola, which is the rural name. Here I made 3 screen actually. This one is too much easy to make, and those 3 or 2 things are a little bit complex. This one is the selection menu, and here the menus, the sub menu like seafood, Mexican, Italian, and that means the cuisine which one you want to pick up. There is a search button, and here some little bit explanation, notification bar, menu bar, and the food which one selected. And these 3 things are showing you the more foods are, like if you swipe it out, more food will appear over here. And here the popular one you can just appear over there, and order list which food you ordered already, and here some like how many amount you paid and how many amount is due, delivery charge, etc. And this one is the tracking the rider, how many time or how many kilometer from your home, the payment and the address, the like here the menus or food you delivered. And here 3 things which is connected with the rider, like you can track by the call, you can leave a message, and you can like track with this or delivery person. So let's start the tutorial. I got the screen, or I took the screen which is iPhone X, XS, X11 Pro, like that. And you can take the artboard like this from the home, going to the home, and you can take artboard from here, or here you can take the artboard from here. Here the options you got. So I took the artboard from here just because of I'll show you, and I'll make the screen as it is like this. Suppose this one first screen, and alter option button making the second screen, third screen, and fourth screen. So I already make this one, and I got a drawing. I made the UI design according to these drawing. So let's start the design. So here at first going to the rectangle and making the rectangle or the shape like this. After that just select these 2 and making it a little bit down like here, and making this one into upper side. That's fine. I'm turning off the border and picking color from here. Okay, that's good. And at first here the menu and the notification bar and other stuff. So I'm making the little bit circle or lit circle like this. Here the circle is like this. Turning off the border, give the fill color and giving some shadow in the downside. That's good. And menu, taking the line and 3 line, 1 like this, a little bit small, and number 2 bigger like this. Okay, that's fine. Selecting these 3 things, making them to proper alignment, and making them to like this, making it group, and select this circle as well and in the middle. That's good. And after that I'll take this one and press alter option button, making it copy. Now I'll place the notification bar. Here I use the plugins, which is the icon for design. If you find it out in a home button, or you can download this from the icon download or the plugins for the Adobe XD. So notification or bill, if you write down the bill or other stuff, so you can get the bill. Or here this one, Control X, that means select this one, Control or Command X, Control or Command V, making it smaller by pressing Shift and hold it, and making the color which is really ash color a little bit. And here a little bit circle for the notification appeared, which is the active notification. Turning off the border, fill color a little bit like red type. Yeah, that's fine. Select all the steps and making it group. That's fine. And now write down something over here, the select menu. I'm using here the Nexa bold, or this font I'll provide you in my video description. Make the color white, select food, that's good, and making it into middle. And here some text up, which is, now I'm writing the demo text, and you can do like that. I'll take the some text from the internet freely, or you can just place it out, copying this one and Ctrl V, making them the font size 12, and the space between two line, that is 12 as well. The 10, I think that's good. And next the light I will use in this case. Okay, that's fine. Suppose when you are using the bold in a title and in a subtitle, I'm using the light font. That's good. And making it into a little bit upper side, that's fine. And now the sub menus and the search bar. Okay, fine. I'll place the search bar over here. So going to the rectangle, at first drawing the rectangle a little bit like this, turning off the border, giving some shadow in the downside, and then I'll make this like that, and making the element according to this notification bar. Okay, and from the icon for design, I'm just choosing the icon, that is the search option. Pick up iOS search and select this, Ctrl or Command X and Ctrl or Command V, making this smaller and place over here. Make this color according to this bell color, so like this. Selecting this one and placing it here, making it a little bit bigger, just because of I'll make this one like menu. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So selecting those things and a little bit smaller. Okay, that's fine. Now I'll write down the all stuffs like the menu name, so which should be, suppose here, going to the text tool, writing some text over here like Indian. Before that you have to make the color that is black. Okay, and making the font size or font type, that is the Nexa bold, and then making it into middle. That's good. And the color, this one will be light gray. That's good. Indian, then Italian. Okay, that's good. Suppose I want to select the Italian and giving the color this, and text color in that case will be white. That's fine. Now our upper side menu is done. That's good. And now this bar, the food and other stuffs. Suppose here you need this one. Okay, making it a little bit bigger. That's good. And here the white square, going to the square shape or the shape tool, drawing this shape like this, turning off the border, giving the like shadow, making it a little bit round corner. That's fine. Placing it into middle. That's good. And now I'll make copy this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, making it into downside of the layer and making the opacity down. That's good. And Ctrl C and Ctrl V, making this one into downside. That's fine. Now here will be the swipe up options, which is like this. So yeah, that's fine, like that. Going to the circle and making the circle like this, and the border color will be white, and the fill color, no fill color actually, V, and alter option button, alter option button, alter option button, and making them to copy. So select all the stuffs, make the alignment properly. That's fine. And one of them, stroke color off and fill color provided. Okay, and making them into group. This one is the option to swappable menu representing, and here I'll make the food. Go to the file and import options. So I downloaded some foods from the internet. You'll just get the download link in my video description. So making it smaller like this. That's good. And now I'll draw the food the name of the food and the price and how many time to make or prepare for you to delivery, etc. And how many stars, how many populars, like that. So I'm taking the text from here. It will save my time. Okay, text tool and Control or Command V. Okay, make this one this type of color. Okay, mixed vegetable salad. And how many price? I'll take the price tag or like this, or I'll take this one, the smallest one. Well, press Alt option button, taking it into upper side, giving the color over here. The price should be how popular this one. It will define with the stars, so I'll collect stars from the icon, return the star from here and taking this star and Control Command V, making it smaller, more smaller. So here, that's it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll make all the star to green color. So picking a color from here, and this one, the last one, will be ash color. So here, okay, that's fine. Selecting all the stars and aligning it to according like that, and this in the middle. Actually, this price tag and this one will be middle. That's it. Now how many time you need to delivery, it will just define over here. 15 minutes. That's it. The upper side menu is ready for us. Actually, this one is done now. How many minutes and other stuffs you need to make this. Okay, selecting all the stuffs and need to change the size actually, and taking the text from here, and the text size will be bigger. Okay, that's fine. Okay, popular food or popular whatever it is. And now I'll go to the file and import options, and I'll import another photo which is really big and making it smaller. So here the menu name, the pizza flavor or mixed flavor pizza, and something about the pizza and the price and how many stars over there and how many times needed. So I'm ungrouping this one, matching the color. I'm ungrouping again, matching the color by using this color. So here, okay, this color, select the shape and giving the color and the stars like this. So you are getting the screen, which one is the first is ready. Now I'll taking this one. Okay, I'll copy this watercolor. So Control or Command C, and here I'll paste Control or Command V. That's good. And making this one into the back side and making the opacity a little bit, only 12 or 10%. That's good. It will make sense. That means this one is the subliminal message that this one is the food apps. You can order your food, etc, etc. Now this one is the fulfilled one, and select this menu, that means 3 things. I'll just making it by pressing Alt or option button and taking into next screen. Okay, here the name will be the list, food list. That means how many food you ordered already. So ungroup this one this one not needed, and making this one into middle of the artboard, so order list. And you can making this one smaller like this. Search button, I'll make the search omit. Okay, that's good. Here the foods are like that, so the main thing is that how many shape will be and how will be the shape. So the main secret or learning of this here, taking rectangle like this, making it like round shape, and turning off the border, going to the fill color, and from here linear gradient, and the gradient should be like white and gray, white for the FFF and the gray for the 808080. And the here the whiter portion I'll make this one like 100%, that's good, but the line will be like this. So here the opacity of the gray one I'll make down, that is 75% or 78%, that's good. And now time to give all the stuffs. So the overall opacity I'll make down. Okay, now I'll go to the file and import options. From here I'll take the food from here, making it smaller and placing over there, so more smaller. Okay, that's good. So here you can making it a little bit bigger, that's good. Okay, that's fine. Now all the stuffs like vegetable mix, salad and other stuffs, I'm copying this one. So copying and Ctrl Command V here, and that's good. So what will be actually here, the things, that means the write up ungrouping these things here, vegetable salad, and the color will be white. Yeah, that's good. And this portion, so in a gray portion you can make this one into like this, and this one in that case will be black, and this color is good. And here is the delete option. In case if you need to change your mind to delete the food, that means you don't want to order this food now, you can do that. And here the button color will be here, I'll pick up from here, and the star color, or I'm deleting those star, I'll using those star I just made it earlier. So if you complete one screen, it will be more easier to make other screen, just because of you are getting the consistency or similarities according to this. Suppose I'm just alter an option and making it copy, selecting this one, replace the image, and I'll replace image, any kind of image, suppose this pizza image, and placing it properly. Or here that like price should be like $70, that's good. And the blah blah, that means here will be pizza. Okay, any kind of name you can just suggest, and select again this one, alter option button, and making it another copy, replacing the image with the other image, suppose this chicken, or okay, that's fine. And here the hot wings, that's good, and it could be like a $20, suppose this. Yeah, that's good. So your menu is ready easily when you are making the first one, just because of all the like menu is similar, and the upper menu is similar, down menu is similar, all the stuffs. So from here I'm taking this one of sample and making it more smaller, and those thing will be the payment method. Suppose here total, so total, this color, this one color should be like green, that's good, and other color will be like another color. So alter option button, making it group and copy. Okay, making those more like this, that's good. And making this one more smaller actually, and taller, that's good. And now the total paid due delivery charge, so here all the steps is over here. So writing something over here. Okay, the lower side will be like this. That means you can take any shape or anything. Suppose this shape should be here. Okay, that's good. And order complete, that means if you press this button, the order will complete. And another one, how many time required. So I'm copying this one, controller command C. So how many time need to like deliver, this one is important for the client. Okay, text tool, controller command V, and giving the color white, that's good. And into middle of the artboard, so select this one and middle of the artboard and middle of the shape or like this, that's good. And now here the arrow key, I'll just copy this one and paste over there. Okay, our second screen is ready. Now you are getting all the stuffs is good. That means you are like selecting the food and then the food list, how many food you want to order. And in this portion I'll make it into upper set a little bit, and breathing space, actually when you are doing that you should maintain this one for your proper breathing space, otherwise this won't be the user friendly. Okay, the main theme or main motto of the UI design is the user friendliness. This one I'll make this one into a shape. How to do that? Just draw a shape according to the screen and select these two things, making it like a mask with a shape. So this one is the mask and sending it to back layer, and alter option button, copy these to this screen according to this like this and sending it to back side. Okay, that's good. Here some like little bit watercolor types, which is really good for the subliminal message or watercolor, that's good. And here the tracking order, so same process, selecting all the things and making it copy by pressing alter option button, order or tracking rider or like delivery person, that's good. Here the map, I just collect the map from the freepik.com and I'll provide you the map download link in my video description. So here's something I downloaded from Freepik. Ungroup this one and map is like this, and deleting those things. Actually here ungroup, and the font will be like Nexa. So here font is missing. Ungrouping this one, ungroup, and here you can fix up the font by select this one, double press and giving the name Nexa bold, that's good. And you can fix all the stuffs. So after fixing the font, I'm just taking this one, controller command C, and going to the XD and controller command V. So taking this one into downside and placing it over here. So this one is good, and now I'll mask it out for the convenience, taking the shape and selecting these two things and like mask with the shape, that's good. And now all the steps is good, and the red circle I'll make one is the red, and all the steps will be this one. I'll make the ash color, actually, that's good. Here the three things, tracking item like a mixed vegetable pizza panini and the mixed vegetable salad, copying these three things. Okay, after copying that I'm making this one into that means making it replica by pressing alter option button and like this, control command V, and making them here. And if you need, you can make it bigger or not, it's totally up to you. Okay, that's fine. Okay, tracking 3 items, and here the flag, which is the address, I'm taking this one, the road address, and Control Command V, and giving the road address over here. That's fine. And before that, I have to find the icon, which is the flag. Just find over here flag and select the flag, which is the iOS flag. Control or Command X and copying over here, Control Command V, making a little bit smaller, making this one into white color like this, and select like that. Okay, fine. And now these 3 things, that means the how many times you need, how many kilometers you need, and other stuff, copying these 3 things and paste over here. I earlier show you how to make those things and placing over there. And here the 3 icons, you can provide icon or get icon from there. Okay, selecting these 3 things for my convenience, Control Command C and Control Command V. You can place those things anywhere or here, whatever you want. Okay, that's good. And 3 things I'll make into upper side. That's good. And these 3 things I'll provide into downside. Yeah, and this one and this flag as well. And I want to make the separator for the convenience. Okay, separator, the border will be white color. That's good. And then these 3, it will be in upper side. This one, the alignment according to this. Okay, here the alignment. That's good. So you are getting 3 apps over here, and the first one, which is the home button, that's really easy. And how to manage it out, let's see. Here I'll take the shape, which is according to this. That's fine. Turning off the border, giving the color from here. That's good. And now the watermark, I'll just taking the watermark over here and placing it into middle of the artboard. That's good. And increasing the opacity, that is 30%, 25%. That's good. And now taking the white type of square shape. That's good. And giving the shadow over here, and then going to the icon options, giving the name food icon. Food icon will appear, or menu icon. This menu icon will appear. And taking this menu icon, Control Command X, and here Control Command V, making a little bit bigger and placing it into middle, and giving the ash color according to these ash. Okay, giving the name over here, press Control only T for the text tool, and giving the name Petupola, whatever it is. And the nexa bolt and color will be like this, and gap between 2 letters will be 100. Yeah, into middle. That's good. So you are getting the home, which is when you are launching the apps. Here the menu, when you are selecting the foods, when you selecting the menus, and how many food you already selected, which is the food list, and the tracking of the food, that means delivering you the food when the delivery person is started. So all the stuffs is here. So you can select all the stuffs. You can go into the file and export and selected artboard. It will make a folder into your options, and it will provide you the this screen. And now if you want to mock it up to represent, you have to go to the Photoshop. So here is a mock-up. I'll provide you the mockup download link in my video description. And here the single type apps or the screen, you can just keep these. Here is the options. If you open it up, and if you want to place any kind of design, go to the place embedded options and select the screen and select Ctrl Command T, making it fit with the screen, and Ctrl Command S, it will save in screen. So this one is the technique to make the mockup. So I'll provide you the mockup download link in my video description. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm signing out today. Stay safe. Keep me in your prayers as well. Bye bye.